Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for administrators of organization accounts. I'll be showing you how to remove teachers from the subscription, which is particularly useful if a teacher leaves the program and you'd like to invite a new teacher in their place. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your account by clicking Login in the top right corner and clicking Login as a teacher. Once you have logged in, click the profile icon in the top right corner and click Team from the menu. Your team page is where you'll see the amount of licenses that are in use and the amount that are available to you. Scroll down to view the list of connected teachers. To remove a teacher, click the three dots on the right and click Disconnect from the menu. A warning message will appear confirming you'd like to disconnect this teacher from the subscription. If you would like to, go ahead and click the blue Yes Disconnect button. That teacher is then removed and a license is added back to your available total. To add a new teacher, go ahead and click that Invite button on the right. That's it for this video on how to remove teachers from the subscription. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.